Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new teleport feature in the free play mode of Dress to Impress game Roblox new Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, there is a new feature. You can see the feature right here guys. Click on this map icon and then you can choose teleport point. Here there are some locations that we can teleport to. For example, this florist minigame and subway station, recording studios, and so on. Now I'm in the dressing room, and for example, I'm going to go to the florist minigame. If you want to play the game, guys, it will be easier than before. Okay, now I'm already here, and I can play the game. And if you want to go back to the dressing room, you just need to do the same. You can click on this teleport point and you can choose the dressing room and you will automatically you will be automatically teleported to the dressing room. Okay, it's very helpful, especially to play the florist minigame. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the teleport point feature in Dress to Impress new update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.